Whenever we hear of the miracle of the feeding of the 5,000 or the multiplication of loaves, we always hear about its connection to the Eucharist and everything. But you see, the version of St. John is different from the rest. Right? Because for our reflection this morning, I would like us to look into the responses of the people in the miracle that happened. Well, Jesus can do all miracles, yes. But in this version of St. John, we see the responses of people on whether a miracle can happen or not. For example, we have Philip, we have Andrew, and we have the young boy or the lad. Itong tatlong to, magkakaiba po yung responses nila. Bakit? Sabi dito is, Jesus would ask Philip. At sabi pa dito meron pang ang close and open parenthesis dito, no? Jesus, the gospel would say, he knew well what he intended to do. Alam ni Jesus yun. He can do all miracles. Walang hindi kayang gawin ng Diyos. Pero napakagandang sabi niya dito, he said this to test Philip's response. Yun ang pinakamahalagang linya para kay Philip. At anong sabi ni Philip? Not even with 200 days' wages could we buy loaves enough to give each of them a mouthful. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Parang sinasabi ni Jesus, titignan ko nga kung anong response ni Philip. Anong response ni Philip? Wala tayong magagawa dyan, Lord. Hopeless na yan. Wala nang magagawa dyan. Wala nang pwedeng gawing kababalagan dyan. We cannot do any miracle with that. Kumbaga si Philip, para sa kanya, wala nang pwedeng gawin. Wala na. Kaya ang gusto niya siguro is, pauwiin mo na lang yung mga yan. Dahil wala na tayong magagawa sa mga taong yan. Fast forward po tayo, we have Andrew. Sasabihin niya dito, may isang bata dito na may dalang tinapay at isda. Sabi niya dito, pero what good is it for these people? Parang si Philip, sasabihin niya, wala na tayong magagawa dyan, Lord. Wala na. As in, wala ka nang magagawa dyan. Pero si Andrew, bago. Bakit? Sasabihin niya, titignan ko kung ano yung magagawa pa natin. Lord, titignan ko kung ano yung maitutulong ko, kung anong magagawa natin. At meron dito pala bata. So si Andrew, iba. Si Philip, wala na. Si Andrew, sasabihin niya, well, parang wala, pero titignan ko kung anong magagawa natin. Ano pa yung magagawa? Baka sakali. Yung bata in the Gospel of St. John's version of the feeding of the 5,000, para sa atin, is the actor. Well, of course, it's supposed to be Jesus, but the boy is, anong response niya? Ito lang yung dala ko. Ibibigay ko ito. Anong nangyari? It was the miracle. And that is the key. That's the key. For miracles to happen, it's not just feeding of the 5,000. Hindi yung parang, alam mo, yung kababalaghan talaga na ano. But first, it's the disposition and the response of people. Kaya, for example, kung ikaw ay may sakit, kung ang mentality mo, hindi na ako gagaling, wala nang mangyayari. Mamamatay na lang ako ganito. May mangyayari ba sa'yo? Wala. Wala din. Pero yung iba sasabihin, baka meron pang pwedeng mangyari. Kung baga in between, ito 0, ito 50, 50-50. But the ideal is, we become like this little boy. Yung parang sabi niya, ito lang yung pwede kong mai-offer, napaka-konti. Pero ibibigay ko ito at may mangyayari. And that is the miracle that should happen to so many, or if not all of us. Alam nyo, gaya ng sabi ko, maraming mga kababalaghan ang hindi nangyayari sa paligid because of the responses of people. Ang mentalidad ba natin? Wala nang mangyayari dyan. Hopeless na yan. O ang mentalidad mo, baka, maybe, baka daadapay, mapasamak. Or are we like this little boy, mangyayari yan, and I am going to offer even the little thing I have. In communities, in families, even in our church, many miracles can happen only if we are willing to offer even the little thing that we have. And we place it at God's disposal. Lalong-lalo na sa atin dito, alam nyo, ngayong stewardship program natin, you remember in the Diocese of Lawag, parang 2 taon na natin, parang ito na nga lang yung lagi mong naririnig. Kumbaga, kung hindi mo pa na-memorize yung stewardship na yan, kahit saan ka magpunta, lahat ng mga piyesta, ng team nila, stewardship. Pag simbang gabi, stewardship pa rin. Every day, every Sunday, stewardship na lang yung naririnig mo. Yung ordination kahapon, synodal and stewardship pa nga yung introduction and homily, di ba? Pero alam niyo yung stewardship and anything that is good that can happen, it can only happen when people like this little boy believe that miracles happen when I share what I have, even if it is little, and I place it at God's disposal. Sana ma-overcome naman natin yung, sorry naman kay Saint Philip, no? Sana ma-overcome natin yung mentalidad na parang wala pang ang nangyayari o wala pang diyan. Ang utak mo na, wala nang pwedeng mangyari. Sana ma-overcome naman natin yon. At ma-overcome din natin yung 50-50. No? Alam mo yun, baka sakali ka lagi. Alam mo yun, parang sa Ilocano will say, parang akang barbaring nuwag na mapasamak. Sana wala namang ganon. Sana maging katulad tayo ng batang ito na, yes, miracles can happen. And I'm going to give my share for that miracle to happen. Kahit napakaliit o konti, I'm going to place this at God's disposal. And miracles happen if we do that. We all stand.